Hey guys, Craig here. I wanted to show you a super cool new feature of the QWIKboard lightboard software. It's called UBERstealth mode, and essentially what happens when you click on UBERstealth, the image that's displayed in the Chrome browser, which is overlaid here in OBS Studio, and you can actually see it here on my my iPad, and that's what I'm going to be drawing with. But it shows up on this lightboard. See here, and I have all the different colors, and I can do this thing here where I highlight a value, and I've got different colors. And so for all of you hardcore lightboard users, lightboard's cool, but you can also take this image using QWIKboard.io, QWIKboard.io. You can chroma key out the background. You can use blue, green, white, black backgrounds. Chroma key it out, and you can share that URL with anybody that's on your collaboration software, your conference call, whatever. So anybody that's viewing this can also, chime in and start drawing and things like that. For example, let's say I have a participant in the audience. They may want to illustrate on their end, maybe using red, and maybe somebody in New York. They're saying that, and then maybe somebody in New York is questioning this number 4 or something like that, and then you have somebody in California who's just over there sniffing the sunflowers and having a happy sunflower day. But you get the picture. So UBERstealth mode pretty much blacks out the entire background, so you can chroma key it out. You can use green screen, blue, white, and then that image is real-time, interactive. Anybody on the call with that URL can interact with you. And you can also keep on trucking with your lightboard software or your lightboard glass for all the presenters that are really into the lightboards. There it is. Super fun, super easy to use. So click in there, QWIKboard.io.